the parts of the fireworks, Kuya JR?
One tube, one explosive mortar, two fuses, two cardboard discs, three cardboard discs, one explosion-proof shell, and one explosive detonator.
How it works? How does
It ignite.
it ignite? How?
Light the fuse with the lighter. When the fuse goes to the explosive mortar, the explosive mortar explodes. This allows it to detonate the first fuse to let the shell go off. When the shell reaches 1,000 kilometers, the fuse goes into the explosive detonator. The explosive detonator goes with the fuse. It exploded.